There's no such thing as work-life balance. None!
They don't focus on the few, they focus on the many. Focus on the few. Let me give you an example. A number of you have started a business at one time in your life. The first 50,000 or 100,000 euros in revenue when you start is geometric growth. So everybody that has ever started a business that generated any income, that's geometric growth because it's starting from ground zero to the first 50, 100. Everybody with me? Okay. What happens? You stop playing to win and you start playing not to lose. When you decide that you really want to invoke permanent change, you start playing to win all the time. And nobody preaches that. They say keep 6 months of reserve in your bank account, right? In case you lose your job. That's a common bullshit. For the first 30 years of my life, I spent 125% of every penny that I made every year. I was always, as you would say, in debt instead of debt. I don't know why I call it debt, but in debt. Why? Because I didn't want any backup. I didn't want any plan B. I either succeeded or died financially. I stopped that when I turned 60. As my lovely wife, who's a chartered accountant, international tax expert, coincidentally, we started getting rid of our assets and turning to cash, except for the castle. So we're all in cash. So I don't spend 125% of what I made since I'm 60. But from the time I was 20 to the time I was 60, I did, which is just the opposite of what the people teach you. It's rubbish. It just is. For the most part, you're listening to people that know how to want to make you feel good for 3, 4, 5, 10 weeks and then come back and they got an upsell or an upsell and a side sell and a this sell and a that sell. And all my stuff's free.